Hello, we got 19.3, number 2. Can you believe I forgot to write down number 1 for number 1? Boy, am I going to have to reshoot these, but moving ahead with our lives. Now, clever you know, you've always been told don't go out in a lightning storm. There's big scary clouds up there. They could be lightning clouds, but you have cleverly invented a wearable lightning rod. This lightning rod is 0.1 meters above your copious height. And the idea is that when you're struck by lightning, the lightning rod will carry the current to the ground without frying you to a crisp. Now, it just so happens it gets you. The lightning strikes you. The question is, with that current going down an Earth's magnetic field, what will be the force acting on your body due to the moving charges going down through your lightning rod? So let's just set this up. F is equal to IL cross B. Now, by the way, these are vectors, okay? So, force, now in this case, a lightning strike can have a current of 30,000 amps. Dot product, the length. Now, the length is your height. In my case, I'm 1.9 meters, but it's going to add another 0.1 meters. Cross product, the Earth's magnetic field. Again, I made a horrible mistake because I told everybody it was 40 microteslas, or 4 times 10 to the negative 5 Teslas, and that it was going south. I put that in the problem. We're sticking with that for this year, so it's going to be south. It's north. It's not exactly north. We'll fix that in subsequent years. Oh, by the way, just something to think about here. The direction that the lightning is traveling is down. So, something to think about. Let's get going here. All right, so doing the math here, let's start out by F equals 30,000 times 1.9 plus 0.1 is 2 down times 4 times rushing, shouldn't rush, 4 times 10 to the negative 5 south. That actually is just multiplied. I know I probably shouldn't do that. It's a cross, it makes it look like a cross product. It's not a cross product. There I go, dot, dot. Okay. So, force is equal to 60,000 amp meters. Cross product, 4 times 10 to the negative 5. Okay, this is down, this is south. Multiply these together, and I get F is equal to 240,000 times 10 to the negative 5. Now again, you could do this 2 different ways. I could do this in scientific notation. The decimal always goes after the first digit. 2.4 times 10 to what power? Let's see, I had to move it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places. Negative 5 plus 5 was, well, now look at that. Look at that. Negative 5 plus 5 is 0. 10 times 0 is 1, and anything times this 1 is itself. So I get 2.4. Now, what if I tried to do it the other way? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, I still get 2.4, don't I? My answer is 2.4 newtons. Now, let's do it as a cross product. The current is going down, and I'm saying the magnetic field is going south. So down, cross, I gotta stand up to do this. Down, cross south. We're gonna get a force, in this case, pointing west. Now, by the way, the magnetic field goes north, so in reality it's gonna be east. Sorry. But one thing you can tell for sure, if you're being struck by lightning, the sheer forces acting on your body is the least of your concern. 2 newtons is nothing. Almost nothing. By the way, the taller you are, the bigger your number. The shorter you are, the smaller your number. So, just something to think about. Anyway, don't try this at home. I will see you later. I hope everybody comes back and no one gets shocked by lightning.